homemade vanilla bean frozen yogurt. All you need is 4 simple ingredients. So in a bowl, I'll add some condensed milk. This is the sugar component to the frozen yogurt. It's also one of those wonderful ingredients that helps this frozen yogurt not become too icy. You don't want to be icy, you want to stay really creamy. And this is my little trick. We'll add some yogurt now. Now you need 1 kilo of yogurt. It seems like a lot, but what I've done is drained the yogurt. Now you can see all of the whey that's been collected down the bottom. We get really thick, labneh-like yogurt. There it is there. Then we're going to carefully spoon it in, and you can see it's almost cheese-like because all of that excess liquid has been removed. So we'll just take that out and let that drop in there. Fantastic. And for the main ingredient, vanilla bean paste. I like vanilla bean paste for this because it's got lots of lovely little vanilla bean speckles throughout it. So 1 generous teaspoon. Before we start adding some whipped cream, we just want to incorporate everything together. So just use a spatula to break up that yogurt into the condensed milk and the vanilla, and start whipping that until it's really smooth. In with our cream, so just thickened cream that's been lightly whipped, and then use your spatula to just fold everything together. Now you need to be patient with this frozen yogurt. It needs to go into the freezer and chill. You want to give it a good couple of hours, and just to ensure it doesn't go icy whatsoever, I like to use a little bit of Glad wrap over the top before I put the lid on. That's just extra security so it freezes nicely. I brought the frozen yogurt out of the fridge. You want to bring it out at least 20 minutes before serving, depending on how hot it is outside, because it's going to be rock hard. And I'm going to serve this with some berries and some honey. But I'm going to make this honey extra special by adding some more vanilla bean paste. Vanilla honey, it is such a great little trick. This is delicious served with classic yogurt, or even better, with this frozen yogurt. All right, let's serve this up. Let's have a look at it. We'll take off that cling film. You need some hot water and an ice cream scoop. It's just going to make it so much easier to come out. Let's grab a nice few spoonfuls. Now for our honey that's been infused with vanilla bean. We drizzle that over the top. Oh, look at that. And then some berries. I have a combination of blueberries, blackberries. These ones are huge, so we only need 2 of them. And some raspberries. That is a really lovely dessert. Why not try this frozen yogurt? Even the kiddies are going to love it, particularly because it's got loads of vanilla in it.